Okay, after that, let's take step forward to do the printf with parameters. In that case, printf with parameter is like here you could see after the formatting string, here we gave one variable as the parameter. It's the year we declared earlier. So the way to use it is we have to use a format tag like this percentage D is here, which will be replaced at runtime with the value of the year. Previously, the value of the years is 2021, so it will output hello 2021 there. This is how to use them. But remember, those format tag, the number of format tags have to match the number of parameters. Here we have one tag here and one variable there. So they're equal. We're fine. So what happening in the memory or in the backstage is like the very first beginning for this hello and the text string in the workspace we have a car to save this string, but the format tag is like a space holder there because we're going to output a string to output something to this place. The year in the workspace is actually saved in another punch card with the value 2021. So at the runtime, because the percentage D and also here is a placeholder, and that place will be replaced with the value of the year. This is what the printf is doing by doing this to replace to fill in that place, and then the printf will copy this new car with a value to the screen like this. Now it's hello 2021. So this is what the printf with parameters is doing. You can actually have more parameters there. However, you need more format tags there. The numbers of them have to match like this. We can actually use here we're using two variables there, and for text we have two as well. So you can try this by yourself. This example of using printf, use printf with several parameters. Most possibly you will see this result if your program runs correct. Okay, what is the backslash n? We have already introduced. Actually, it's called escape sequence character. It's very special. But remember, it's a backslash, not a slash. They are considered different characters in C programming. The backslash is the slash is just a normal character which will be printed out unless they are used with the star for comments to form comments token. So anyway, be careful when you're using backslash and the slash. Okay, let's talk about the inputs. To input something, you can use this function called scanf. Scanf is another worker function which has also been declared in the stdio.h. So as long as you have signed a contract with that company, you're able to use this scanf function, worker function. So the use is like this. The format you also need a format string and also parameters there. But remember, there is a and character before that variable. This is what the scanf is doing. At first, when the CO main function is calling scanf, and the scanf will wait the user to input something with most of the time with the keyboard. So like this, then the user type in something, and for example, the user has given a string hello world, then the scanf will copy that content to a repunchable card, the hello world. That means save it to some of the variables there. In case it's a string, it will be saved to